3 back-to-school hairstyles today, everyone. Take a piece of hair from your ears all the way up to the top of your head and secure it into a sleek ponytail. Then take the rest of your hair and add it to the other ponytail. This helps make a really smooth, easy ponytail for a child. I'm using this Bungee by Damien hairpins. I love these so much. It makes it so much easier to put a ponytail in. Then we're going to take a small piece of hair and we're going to braid it. Just a 3-strand braid all the way down to the end. Then we're going to wrap it all the way around the ponytail. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and leave a comment down below. Then just secure the little braid against the ponytail and there's your first style. This is easy and perfect for your first day of school. Now the next style is you're going to start out with the style that I just showed you. Now we're going to make a bubble. You just tie a little elastic a little ways down and then we're going to wrap it. You make the bubble by pulling up on the hair until it's as big as you want it to be. Then with a topsy tail, we're going to pull the hair through. Now I'm taking just a little bit of pomade and I'm going to make a 3-strand braid. Just make sure it's the same length as the bubble you made first. Go over the middle left, over the middle right, until it's about the size you want it to be. Then just pancake the braid out. Now we're going to add a elastic. I like these ones from Goody. I get them just at Walmart. Now wrap the elastic and pull it through with a topsy tail just like you did before. Now to make the style interesting, we're going to make one more bubble and then just pull it out to make the bubble. Then wrap the elastic and again with a topsy tail, you're going to pull it down through so it looks nice and neat. Now we're going to make one more braid. If you want, you can measure with your hand to get the exact length, but I just eyed it this time. Pancake the braid out, then add an elastic. Wrap the elastic, pull it through with a topsy tail. And pull it through. And there's your second style. I love this one. This one is my personal favorite, and I think she looks absolutely darling with this, and I can't wait to fix her hair so she can go to school. And she has her backpack, and she is ready to go. The third style is a sort of girl next door retro style. I was actually really surprised that she loved this style. What you're going to do is just make little curls on the top of your head. You're just going to roll them up and pin them to your head, kind of like a pin curl. Just make sure the pins are hidden when you put them in. I'm going to take in one more piece from the ear up to the top of the crown of the head and pin that one as well. You can make as many or as little as you like. It just depends on how big or small you want them. I'm going to make this one my last one. Just spray it really well and there's your style. Now another thing you can do is part it down the back and make 2 braids. Just a 3-strand braid, left over middle, right over middle, left over middle, right over middle. I have a tutorial on how to do it 3, 4, and 5-strand braids. I will link that below. Add your hair elastic, and then let's do the other side. And that's your style. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 back-to-school hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.